What's going on YouTube world? Austin Lewis here coming to you guys with another YouTube video. And yes, as you guys saw in the title, as you guys saw in the thumbnail, we are unboxing an ATM. First of all, essentials that you guys need is you guys need some gold scissors. These are highly recommended. If you guys do not have gold scissors, and I'm talking the state-of-the-art glass gold scissors, you probably will not be able to open up this ATM. Now, once you do have those, I'm just kidding, guys. Before we even jump into this video, make sure and go smash that like button. Make sure and go smash that subscribe button, because your boy, I'm thirsty for likes on Instagram, and I'm even thirstier for subs on YouTube. So I appreciate you guys going and doing that. So stay tuned. I'm just gonna pretty much just unbox this thing for you guys. I'm gonna give you guys a little tutorial or whatever you call it of unboxing, how it's unboxed, opening of the machine. I'm gonna share with you guys what the code is gonna be at the machine. So for those of you that are interested in getting inside the ATM business, check out my links in the description below. We have ATM Mastery. It is actually on sale. It is a gangster funnel built by my boy Aaron, and we're gonna have some gangster little pixels and stuff on it, whatever those are, but you guys already know. For my Facebook people on there, they're like, Austin, what are you talking about? Come on, man, don't hate a hater. And I'm gonna have access to our email, where Maria is actually gonna be the one that is going to email you guys back if you guys are interested in purchasing an ATM. So if you guys are interested in buying an ATM, make sure and drop in the comment section below, or just go ahead and email us, send us your name, your number, rock and roll. So, unboxing ATM. For those of you that know, we order Yosung Halo 2s. Halo 2s are your standard machines that look like this. Woo! Okay, that's what it looks and feels like. Zaybak's calling me right now. We're gonna answer this, see what he has to say. What's up, Zeb? I'm pretty much just gonna show you guys the unboxing of ATM. We ship it straight from the manufacturer. So, it's a fairly simple process. They all comes with, little deals right there. Most people, when I do see them unboxing an ATM, they actually do it wrong. They pull the cover off the top of here. If you guys can't tell, we have 19 machines inside of our office right now that just got delivered. Most people with this, now once it's like this, here's the ATM. It's wrapped up. They want to take out this. They want to cut this. Guys, you don't got to do that when you guys get your machines. If you're ordered a machine with us, you do not have to cut the machine down the box. Guys, it is literally this simple. All you have to do is lift up. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is as simple as it gets. Most people I see cutting the boxes, they're doing all sorts of these crazy things. Listen, you don't gotta do that. You don't gotta put up, you don't gotta work hard, okay? Obviously, this is gonna be wrapped right here. This, for those of you that are interested in what this is what it comes with. This, obviously, you need keys, right? You need keys. This is your box. That inside this has your paper that you're gonna put inside your ATM. Also has your keys, because when you buy an ATM machine, you need some keys. These keys are gonna be inside here. For those of you that get a cassette, which is inside the ATM, if you guys put hundreds, 50s, 20s, 10s, or 5s, or wanna remind your employees, you guys can do that. And then of course, comes with a couple sets of keys. A couple sets of keys in order to open your guys' ATM machine. So that's what this box is that sits on the outside of your ATM machine, so that you guys can utilize that stuff. And that sits right on the outside, like literally right there. Make sure and don't lose this. Now, I'm gonna share with you guys this, there's actually no trick to this. Like there's a trick to that, there's no trick to this. This is actually kind of a mess. You're actually going to be utilizing them scissors this time and cutting it all the way down. So when you guys do order an ATM machine, You guys will have to obviously open the lockbox. The lockbox is actually this code. And for people that are gonna get mad at me in my comment section for telling you guys this code, you guys frustrate me. But the codes to every single ATM that just comes straight out of the box is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pound. Opens the safe up right away. And I'll share with you guys that right here. Comes with your state-of-the-art, again, brand new machines. As you guys can tell, it makes a heck of a mess. Has this screen protector on it right here, which you don't need, okay? And then you take your trusty SD keys that are inside this box. As I shared with you guys earlier, you open this up. This key is the key to your ATM machine. Now, these keys are gonna be different, and no, you cannot order them on Amazon. Okay, so the thicker key, this thicker key is what goes inside here. Once that's opened, you guys will be able to see here, watch. Inside here, all of this will be padded. The reason it's padded is just so it doesn't pull out. As you guys can see, you gotta take this out before it can even pull out. So obviously you guys know that's you guys' cassette. Inside here is gonna be all of your wires and different things like that. And different stuff that you guys will need for your guys' ATM business. This is obviously padding for when you guys are moving the machine or installing the machine. I recommend keeping it in there just to keep your machine like tight and like it knows what's happening, it knows what's going on, and it's not gonna be like moving around when you are installing it into a location. It's not gonna break. I definitely don't recommend taking them out before you install it because, again, you're gonna be throwing this in the back of your Prius, which is what we do. You're gonna be throwing it in the back of your truck. You're gonna be throwing it in the back of something to where it is going to be moving around. So with that stuff not in there, you're actually going to, you know, potentially break it. And that's the last thing you'd want, especially if you're going to install this machine immediately, right? So that was just a look inside the ATM machine. Obviously, it comes with all of your wires. You know, this is the power wire. All you gotta do is pop out one of the back plastic pieces in the ATM, and this actually rolls through that little piece to where you are able to plug the ATM machine in inside that business and everything. That's kind of cool. I made it though. So, just to break it down, and again, you guys only get 2 keys, so don't lose your keys. The average shipping time right now for ATMs is anywhere from 7 to 12 business days, especially if you're ordering brand new ones. Brand new ones go for right around $24.95. Nobody ever makes any money on hardware. You know, there's some people that are cheaper, but there's some people that charge more to do processing and do contracts and stuff, which we don't do. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is unboxing an ATM. If you guys have any questions, make sure and drop in the comment section below. If you haven't already emailed us, make sure and email us. If you have any questions, if you guys are looking to purchase one of these bad boys, email us as well, because we want a ton of emails. Soon, very soon, we will have a link for you guys to actually go just purchase ATMs rather than us having to email back and forth and talk about how the weather is doing. And we're gonna be working on that this week. And this video is gonna be going live, I don't know, it's probably Wednesday today. So, if it's Thursday or Friday, I'll be so mad. If it's Tuesday, it'll be even sweeter. Ladies and gentlemen, Austin Lewis here. If you haven't already, make sure and go smash that thumbs up button. If you haven't already, make sure and go subscribe to your boy, because again, like I said at the beginning of this video, I'm thirstier on likes on Instagram, and I'm thirstier on YouTube for them subscribers. So make sure and go do that, and we'll see you guys in some future videos.